take this opportunity to say that we were the first.
Now.
The pioneers. We could say we do things nature is unable to do, but still using biological materials and products. We could say we are the ones who grasped that only those products tested to the very highest standards are of any help to surgeons. We could say we are the regeneration company that is gradually making its vision a reality.
Maintenant.
In short, we could make all sorts of wonderful, heroic statements about ourselves. But we are not going to do that, because it is not us.
Abhi.
And it's not what really counts. No, facts alone are what count. Fact: every 14 seconds, a patient somewhere in the world is treated with one of our biomaterials. That helps to improve the patient's quality of life. Fact: every 14 seconds,
Adesso.
our products help a patient to regenerate bone, cartilage, or tissue. Because Geistlich only does what Geistlich knows best. And that's how it's been since 1851.
Agora.
That's why we've made regeneration our cause. In orthopedics, in pharmaceutical products, and in dentistry. Fact: every 14 seconds, a surgeon chooses one of our products. It's also a fact, however, that surgeons don't choose us because we're a wonderful company. They choose us because they know they'll be helping their patients in a practical way with best treatment.
Jetzt.
Surgeons choose us because they trust us. And they trust us because our first principle is evidence-based medicine. And because as a family company, we think and act with the long term in mind. They choose us because our products are developed in collaboration with the most outstanding scientists and clinicians. They choose us precisely because we listen to the surgeons who use our biomaterials on a daily basis.
Ahora.
And most of all, they choose us because at Geistlich, we research, develop and test every product with the utmost rigor until it really works, until it really helps,
지금.
and enables patients to get back to a better quality of life.
Now.
Excuse me? Yes, well, there's nothing wrong with a little bit of heroics.
今でしょ